Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Car Review. Today, we're diving into one of the rarest and most powerful muscle cars ever built, the 1968 Chevrolet Camaro 427 COPO. This is a car born out of a loophole, built for performance, and designed to dominate the streets and the Strip. In the late 1960s, Chevrolet had an internal rule that prevented anything larger than a 400 cubic inch engine in a Camaro. But that didn't sit well with dealers like Don Yanko and performance enthusiasts who knew the Camaro had the potential for something bigger, something meaner. Enter the COPO system, Central Office Production Order, a backdoor way to get factory-installed high-performance parts that weren't part of the regular options list. At the heart of the 1968 COPO Camaro was the legendary 427 cubic inch big block V8. This engine was an absolute monster, pushing out an underrated 425 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. In reality, many experts believe it produced closer to 450 or even 500 horsepower. Mated to either a Muncie 4-speed manual or a turbo 400 automatic transmission, this beast could launch down the quarter-mile in the low 12s, making it one of the fastest muscle cars of its time. The exterior of the COPO Camaro was deceptively simple. No wild badging, no over-the-top graphics, just a clean, aggressive look with its wide stance, cowl induction hood, and iconic Camaro body lines. Many of these cars were ordered with minimal options to keep weight down, meaning no power windows, no air conditioning, just raw, unfiltered power. Inside, it was all business. The cockpit was driver-focused, featuring basic but functional gauges, a classic Hurst shifter for manual versions, and a no-nonsense approach to speed. No fancy luxuries, just a tachometer, a fuel gauge, and the sound of that roaring 427 under the hood. Only a handful of these cars were ever built, making them incredibly rare today. While most people think of the COPO Camaros from 1969, the 1968 versions were even more elusive, with very few surviving examples known today. If you're lucky enough to see one at an auction or a classic car show, you're looking at a true piece of muscle car history. Today, the 1968 Camaro 427 COPO stands as a symbol of the golden age of muscle cars, an era when performance was king and innovation came from those who refused to accept limits. It's a car that broke the rules, shattered expectations, and left its mark as one of the greatest Camaros ever built. That's it for today's episode on USA Car Review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1968 Chevy Camaro 427 COPO, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let us know in the comments, if you had the chance to own one of these rare beasts, would you keep it stock or modify it? Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.